If you're experiencing lag spikes on your PlayStation 5, there are several quick fixes you can try to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can do this by running a speed test on another device. If your speed is low, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Use a wired connection. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, switch to a wired Ethernet connection. This can significantly reduce lag and provide a more stable connection. Connect your PS5 directly to the router using an Ethernet cable. Step 3. Close background applications. Make sure to close any background applications or downloads on your PS5. These can consume bandwidth and processing power, leading to lag spikes during gameplay. Press the PS button, navigate to the game, and close any unnecessary applications. Step 4. Update system software. Check for any available system software updates for your PS5. Keeping your console updated can fix bugs and improve performance. Go to Settings and System and select System Software to check for updates. Step 5. Adjust network settings. Access your PS5's network settings and consider changing your DNS settings to public DNS like Google DNS 8.8, 8.8, and 8.84.4. This can sometimes improve connection stability and reduce lag. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate lag spikes on your PlayStation 5. If problems persist, consider seeking further technical support or checking for issues with your internet service.